Hello, welcome to Tech Framework. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is timestamp. So let's go through the program. So here I am writing the program in fully free format, and as usual, we are setting two control options, that is no debug IO and SRC state. Below to that, I have declared few variables that we will use for the registration of timestamp value. So the first variable is current time, which is of timestamp data, and another is str timestamp, which is of character type of length 26. And below to that, I am declaring one more variable result, which is of timestamp data. Okay, so there are two variables that is of which is of timestamp data type, and other one is of character data type. So let's see how we can utilize this timestamp built-in function. So first use of this timestamp built-in function is that, like, suppose if you want to find out or retrieve the timestamp, current timestamp, then in that case you can utilize this function as we are using it here on line number 22. So you have to just write percentage timestamp and opening and closing parenthesis, and then just put the semicolon. So now this function will return the current timestamp that we are storing in this current time variable, and after that we are just displaying it back to the user. So this is the one way, like as we use date, percentage time, similarly we can use percentage timestamp also. Now we will see the another use of this percentage timestamp. So suppose if we have any string a valid with some valid data which we want to convert into timestamp, then for same purpose we can use percentage timestamp also. So syntax is like this: you have to write percentage timestamp, then open parenthesis, and then you have to put the value which contains the string. Then after a colon, you have to write the format. So whatever the format available, you can check this on the IBMi official site. And currently, I'm using star ISO. So there are multiple options. So you can just check it out and then use it. Now on line number 32, what I'm doing, I'm just storing some string as a timestamp. And suppose I want to convert this into a timestamp data type, then we can use this timestamp built-in function. So here on line number 34, I'm using it percentage timestamp. Then first argument or the value is str timestamp, because this is the value which I want to convert into timestamp. And the format I'm passing here is called s to ISO. So now this string will be converted to timestamp but in ISO format. And on line number 36, we are just displaying the variable result back to the user. And line number 38, we are setting star INLR equals to star 1. So let's compile and call this program. So this is the timestamp value we are getting from the percentage timestamp. So this is the current timestamp, and if I hit enter again, then this is the output that we are getting uh, by converting the value from string to timestamp. So this is the value that we have stored in a string, and after using the percentage timestamp built-in function, we have converted this string data into timestamp data type. Okay, so that's how we can use this function percentage timestamp. It is almost similar to the percentage date time, like same operation we can perform with date time also, but here in timestamp we can use a percentage timestamp built-in function to retrieve the current timestamp. And if you want to convert any string into timestamp, then you can also use this built-in function. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will learn about few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Subject.